the Silverado is Chevy's bread-and-butter pickup, and we're not expecting any major updates for 2023. Last year's truck marked a mid-cycle update, including interior and exterior refreshes, the addition of Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving, and a new off-roadable Silverado ZR2. For the 2023 model year, we'd be surprised to see anything more than a special edition or new paint offering, but an EV is on the way in the near future. The Silverado's engine lineup might be its strongest attribute. Even the 2.7-liter turbo 4 delivers strong, smooth acceleration, and Chevy's pair of V8s and its turbo diesel i6 option offer power and efficiency in spades. We did notice rougher throttle response in a pre-refreshed Silverado with the 5.3-liter V8, though, and Chevrolet doesn't offer a hybrid option like Ford and Ram. The Silverado is usable, too. Chevy provides exceptionally spacious bed options, clever rear bumper corner.
Chevrolet's full-size truck is a decent performer in IIHS safety testing, earning the highest possible good rating on 5 of the 6 crashworthiness tests and a marginal rating for the passenger-side small overlap front test, 2021 model year. It also gets the lowest rating of poor for its headlights. The 2022 Silverado 1500 only gets a 4-star out of 5 overall safety rating from the NHTSA, with 4-star frontal crash and rollover scores and 5 stars in the side crash test.